Basic signal operation is determined through the sequence of the phases. Under NEMA, the sequence is described using the phase assignments and consists of multiple rings and barriers. Phases that conflict with each other are placed in the same ring, and major and minor approaches are typically separated by barriers. Ring 1 consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and ring 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Each ring identifies phases that may operate one after another, but never simultaneously. At any moment there may be only one phase active per ring. Dual ring operations allow concurrent, non-conflicting, phases in separate rings to operate at the same time. In dual ring operation, a barrier is the point at which the phases in both rings must end simultaneously. Barriers typically separate major and minor street phases. The NEMA standard sequence diagram corresponds to the phase assignment. In a 4-phase intersection, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Only phase 2 and 6 run together and phases 4 and 8 run together. So if we want to add left turns and make the intersection a 8-phase intersection, then once we know where 2, 6, 4, and 8 are, then we can apply the 7 and 11 rule. 7 being the main road usually and 11 being the side street. So 2 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 7, and 8 plus 3. So 2 runs with 5, 6 runs with 1, 4 runs with 7, and 8 runs with 3.